Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube link to your Facebook profile. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook account as you normally would. Now from here you need to click into your profile, so go ahead and click into your profile. So I'm on my profile page here, and now you want to, under your profile name, click onto edit profile. And now scroll all the way down the bottom, and now this is where all your links are located. To add a YouTube link, you need to click onto edit next to links, and there it is here, edit links. So you want to add a social link, and now you click platform and then find YouTube. So scroll down, here it is here, YouTube. So go ahead and click onto YouTube. And now put in your YouTube username here, and then go ahead and click save. So you can see here, Tutorial Wiz, that's my channel name. So now I'm going to click onto save. Looks like you need to put in your full URL. So if I do that might change it. No, so I've got to put in the full link. So, all right, looks like you just need to put in your username at Tutorial Wiz with no @ or the full link. And then once you've done that, click on done, and then click save, and that will save your YouTube link inside your Facebook account. Here it is here. So if we scroll down, it's saved here.